All right, so let's go ahead and work on assembling our creature. As I showed you in the picture before this, I just took some watercolor and water and I painted my little creature. If you want it to look more realistic, add some black and brown to the colors that you're using. And if you want it to look a little bit more like a cartoon, then just use the colors straight from the palette because they're nice and bright. Okay, so you need to decide which side is going to be the front, or what side you want the focus to be. If I were putting my wings on my creature like this, then it doesn't really matter which side I'm using, but if I'm trying, I really want mine to show from the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my wing like this. After your creature is a little bit dry, then you would use some glue of some sort to assemble. And you can use hot glue. I think that's even better than tacky glue, but I'm going to go ahead and use tacky glue because I feel like more of you may have access to like just regular Elmer's glue. And you are going to have to let this little creature dry for a little bit before you can actually take its picture. And if you really just can't assemble it, that's fine. I mean, you can just like, it needs to hold together at least for the picture, but it's okay if it's not held together after that, since you're not physically turning in your project to me. Okay, so then I'm gonna attach both of the wings, and I did trim them a little so that they fit the creature. And once I put it here, I can't move it, so I need to make sure I'm working in a place that is okay for my creature to stay in. All right, and then I just made little tail pieces like I was saying earlier. So I just cut these out of my extra mixed media paper, and then I painted them with watercolor. And now I'm going to attach them to my creature. You can do this after it dries if you need to, of course, but I'm gonna go ahead and just sit my creature on top, and hopefully the wings won't fall off. There we go. Okay, now my creature can rest and dry, and you may even need to put things in front for it to stay up. Like I could just use this glue bottle to kind of hold it up.